Come here, Kimberly, come here. Kimberly, come here.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, go. Go. Kimberly, what's up?
John.
Kimberly, come on. Not your car, come on. Come.
No.
Leave people in the car alone and come on.
Alright. I gotta go. Come on.
Kimberly touring part of New York.
No.
Come on, Kimberly, you know your car. Come.
No.
It's not your car, come on. Come on, Kimmy. Kimberly, come on. Kimberly, come.
Come.
What you doing?
Thank you.
Ask what you doing, Kimberly.
I was doing.
Come. Come on. Kimmy. Kimberly. Now listen, right? Come on. Give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand. That's not a car, give me a hand, it's not your car. That's not the cars. That's not it, come. Come on.
Come on.
Your mommy ever saying car was that's not the car, okay? Come. Here, alright. What happened? Give me a hand, give me a hand. Oh, he frustrated. Yep. Say hi. Hi to the lady. Here you go, here's a car. That's your car. 1, 2, open Kimani. Pull it. Okay.
Not nice.
Wait, Kimani. Give it back. Kimani, wait please. Let her go. My car is dirty inside. Alright, come on, you go, your turn.